Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable notifications on Snapchat. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button and then select the apps tile and then select where it says see all apps and then scroll down to Snapchat and select it. And then where it says notifications, go ahead and select that and toggle the all Snapchat notifications to the off position so it's grayed out. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.